To all 5 people who enjoy my van videos, happy Saturday. Van video today. Headed to Walmart right now so I could put a rug in the middle of my van since I have a flimsy carpet in here right now. So I don't want to pass this point right here because this is where my table goes. My table leg goes in this slot right here. So measure it out to the end. It's more than 7 feet past here, so I think they make rugs in 6 and 8 feet, so 6-foot rug would end right here, which is perfect. So 6 feet, I'm looking for 6 feet, and then width. Let's go ahead and get the width right now. Okay, so about 6 feet wide going to the end here. See, that's 5 and almost 6. So what I want to do now, so 6 by 6 is what I'm looking for, but let's see if they happen to have something less wide than 6 feet. So let's go wheel well to wheel well. Wheel well to wheel well is about 4 feet. So if I could find 6 feet long and 4 feet wide, then it would slot between the wheel well and come out about right here, which is what I want, because the plan is to put a futon, like sofa futon on this side. It'll probably come out to about right here, and then I'll have this whole side left. Big Joe! That's all I have for now. My Big Joe chair. Alright, let's go to the store, see what we could find. Check it out. Universe provides perfectly. 4 feet, 6 inches by 6 feet. I might have to trim it a little bit, but that's pretty close. Might have to take a razor to the wheel well. And it's actually made in the USA. That's rare. Where's the price? $18.88. Good price. Okay, this rug is really nice. A lot nicer than this Home Depot rug I got. This Home Depot rug is super thin, super flimsy. That one is 6 feet wide by 8 feet long. That's why it goes all the way to the back of the van almost. This one's 6 feet long by 4.6 inches wide. And it's the same price. I don't know where this rug was made, the Home Depot one, but I like how this rug is actually made in the USA and not China. I feel like when I buy made in the USA, I'm helping someone in our own country. I'm helping someone keep their job, put food on the table. So, it's a cheap rug. If it was nicer, I probably wouldn't cut it right now, but I'm going to go ahead and trim it a little bit so it wraps around the wheel well a lot nicer. So yeah, let's see how it looks. And I'm going to put a futon on this side anyway, so it's going to be covered. But for now, I'll go ahead and trim it and see how it looks. Hopefully none of the 5 viewers of my van videos are carpenters. And hopefully Al Borland doesn't watch my videos, because carpenters and Al might cringe at this craftsmanship. But I wasn't going for perfect. I just want the carpet to lay flat. Still gotta push out some kinks here, but it's looking good. So when I get a futon, it's gonna cover this area anyway, so that's fine. So let's lay in the back here. So there's one kink right there. So we'll get that all right now. So push this down, and then this, and then I did cut this. This will be utilized later. That's a big project right there. But there you go. There's my van with the nicer flooring. A lot nicer than this flimsy carpet. This one's nice and solid, heavy carpet. So it looks good. So it's coming all together right now. It's coming together.